Hi everyone. Today I am telling about a scientist. Scientists study the universe in order to find out how and why things happen. There are many different branches of science such as physics, chemistry and astronomy. Scientists make careful observations of the phenomena they are studying. They construct possible explanations for their observations, known as theories or hypotheses. Then they are experimented to test whether their theories are accurate. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. First scientist name Sir Isaac Newton. He is an English physicist and mathematician. Newton. He proposed the laws of motion that explain how forces move objects and went on to devise a theory of gravity. Newton also studied optics and the science of light and also explained how white light is made up of many colors. Next one is Marie Curie. Marie Curie in 1867 to 1934 was born in Poland but carried out her investigations into radioactivity in Paris with her French husband Pierre. She discovered the elements polonium and radium in 1898 and won two Nobel Prizes. Marie Curie died of leukemia probably due to long exposure to radiation. Next is Blaise Pascal. Frenchman Pascal is 6023 to 62. Explored many practical applications of science and mathematics. He invented a mechanical calculator, a device made up of dials and gears as well as type of series. He also did experiments with air pressure. Next person is Galileo, Italian astronomer and mathematician. Galileo 1564 to 1642 was the first person to use a telescope for studying the sky. He discovered the four largest satellites of Jupiter, today known as Galilean moons. Next person is Luigi Galvani, Italian scientist. Galvani 1737 to 98 studied the role of electrical impulses in animal tissue by experimenting on frogs. Although his theory that the electricity was coming from the animal tissue was wrong, his discoveries led to the invention of the battery by Alessandro Volta. Next one is Copernicus. Polish astronomer Copernicus 1473 to 1543 is considered to be the founder of modern astronomy. His studies of the orbits of the planets revealed that the Sun is at the center of the solar system. At the time, the predominant view was that Earth was the center of the universe. Next one is Albert Einstein. Einstein 1879 to 1955 was born in Germany, but after Hitler came to power, he fled to the United States. Einstein revolutionized physics with his studies of relativity, which show how matter, energy, space, and time are connected. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Next person is Alessandro Volta. His research into electric currents led Italian physicist Volta 1745 to 1827 to invent a battery. Volta's battery or voltaic pile was the first reliable means of producing an electric current and so made it easier to perform further experiments with electricity. Next person is Alec Jeffreys. British geneticist Jeffreys, born in 1915, discovered that each individual has certain distinctive patterns of DNA and worked out how to make images of these DNA sequences. He pioneered DNA fingerprinting used by forensic scientists in criminal investigations to identify people from traces of DNA. Next person is Benjamin Franklin. A statesman, writer, and scientist Franklin, 1706 to 19. He conducted research into electricity. He proved that lightning is an electrical current and suggested the use of lightning conductors to protect buildings from lightning strikes.